Thank you so much for the question. We are happy for half a type of Baba Olubadan that's gone. It's a real KBC. It's a KBC who have the interest of the citizen in mind. He loved Oyo State, and during his own tenure, Oyo State rise to the top. They achieved many things, like the opening of a new ultra-modern Olubadan Palace and many other achievements. We thank God for his life. He lived a meaningful life and he touched many lives. How Ibadan indigenous they mature in terms of king making. You see, people who are trying to emulate the system of Ibadanland in the times of king making. You can see no problem, no quarreling, no any misdeed out of king making in Ibadanland. It's an achievement. It's like people who are following the step of Ibadan people in times of king making. You can see physically by yourself, after the minds of our last Ibadan, people are trooping en masse to the next king. That means Ibadan is a peacemaker. Ibadan, in everything, people who are following the system of Ibadan, we are great. I'm happy to be an Ibadan man. If I come again next time, I'd like to be an Ibadan man. Thank you.
He loves to carry everybody along. He loves to have people around him, and he gives precious advice. I mean, when he has the opportunity to do so, we always remember him for that. Bàbá jẹ́ ẹni tí ó kó gbogbo wa mọ́ra, wọ́n sì nífẹ̀ẹ́ gbogbo wa lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀. Wọ́n máa ń fẹ́ fún wa ní ìmọ̀ràn fún ọ̀nà tí a lè gbé gbà, ọ̀nà bá a ṣe lè rìn tí gbogbo nǹkan fi jọra wọn gẹ́gẹ́ bí àgbà sí ọmọdé tí ń bọ̀ lẹ́yìn. Then generally náà wọ́n jẹ́ òpó nínú ilé Kristi ní Ìbàdàn yìí, torí pé wọ́n ti ń support ẹgbẹ́, wọ́n ń support church, àbí wọ́n sì ń kó gbogbo èèyàn mọ́ra láti rí i pé gbogbo wa ní ìlọsíwájú.
He doesn't even let me call him Kabiyesi. He said I should call him brother, so that people will know that he's older than me. We are in politics together. What description do you want me to give? Mother.
You ruled Ibadan for a year. How will you describe?
Well, he has been ruling Ibadan because he was a member of the Olubadan Council, so he's part of the ruler. But since he became Magaji, he has been ruling Ibadan. So he's been ruling Ibadan. He was in the Federal House of Representatives, so he's been ruling Ibadan for a very long time.
So what is that thing that you remember him for?
For everything. I said he was a military man. We know him for his forthrightness. He's a very straightforward person. He doesn't miss word. I said, when I say Kabiyesi, don't call me Kabiyesi, call me brother, so that people will know that I'm your brother. May he show that in peace.
The late Oba Olakulehin Igewan is a good father. He's a good father for Ibadan. He deserves the post given to him by the Olodumare. That's why we are here. He couldn't be in one side of religion. He just carry all the religion as the same. and then he have good mind about the people under him. Meanwhile, we pray for him, for his family to live long and prosperity.
The immediate past Olubadan, Oba Olakulehin, went to school, graduated in engineering, joined the Nigerian Army, and rose to the head of the Nigerian Army Engineering Division, retired as a major into private business, and he owned one of the best bakeries in the West. That's the summary of his life. Any good child will remember his responsible father well. He was our royal father, and if you go and do your research, you will know how close I was to Kabiyesi Olakulehin. I will remember him as a good role model and mentor